Maintaining a clean and clear workspace is an essential element of fostering a safe and efficient work environment, extending beyond cosmetic considerations. A clutter-free workspace plays a crucial role in preventing accidents, particularly slips, trips, and falls. When pathways are clear, employees can navigate their surroundings safely, significantly reducing the likelihood of injuries. A well-organized workspace contributes to enhanced productivity. The systematic arrangement of tools, materials, and equipment facilitates efficient workflow, allowing employees to locate what they need promptly. This efficiency not only saves time, but also contributes to an overall increase in productivity, benefiting both individual employees and the organization as a whole. In addition to its tangible impacts on safety and productivity, a clean and orderly workspace creates a positive and uplifting atmosphere. The psychological benefits of a well-maintained environment are evident in increased employee morale, job satisfaction, and overall well-being. Employees are more likely to feel motivated and engaged when their surroundings convey a sense of order and cleanliness. The professional image of an organization is also influenced by the cleanliness of its workspace. Clients, customers, and visitors form impressions based on the appearance of the workspace, and a well-maintained environment reflects positively on the organization's commitment to professionalism, excellence, and attention to detail.